Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to convert MKV to MP4 file using one of the platform. Which one? How to convert? That one is absolutely free. So let's start as a demonstration on my laptop screen. So now let's start demonstration. Simply open the Google and type here converter.app. I already added this link in video description. So we are targeting in this video MKV to MP4 100% free. No need to pay anything, no need to register, nothing. You just simply click here. Even I already exactly the same link in video description. We just simply upload here MKV file as a video you want convert and upload here. So choose the file. So here is my MKV file. I upload here. The file is very quick to upload. After finish the upload, wait until the conversion from MKV to MP4 has finished. The process start automatically download after created MP4 video. First of all, upload the file, then convert, and then you can download this file. This is absolutely free, online, no need to install, download and register, nothing. You just visit on this link and very easily convert MKV to MP4 format. So we will see, wait couple of seconds here. So I will show you my current file size around 400 megabytes. You can upload greater than 1 gigabytes also. Look at this here, upload and conversion is done. I just simply download, just simply click here and look at this. My MKV MP4 file is downloaded here. Same size around 391 megabytes. So look at this. Here is my MP4 file. It's easy, very easy to convert MKV to MP4 using convert.app platform. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.